All right, guys, we're going to do a quick walkthrough using the little thin Thinkcar 689BT on this 2016 GMC Sierra. So let's turn the key on. And and basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hit diagnose. We'll hit enter. We'll let it ID the car. Then we're just going to focus on the actuation test and special functions that this scan tool has on this particular truck. It's ID'd the vehicle. I've been very, very impressed with this scan tool. Okay, I'm just going to do an automatic search. We'll hit yes. Key is on. It's ID'd the vehicle. We're going to hit health report. We'll just let it scan the modules. And you'll notice that the latest version of the application has the voltage up in the upper right corner. A lot of people was complaining about that. And Thinkcar came out with a fix for that really, really quick. Now this scanner does not have topology, but if you can watch my topology video and how it can't be trusted anyway. If you're thinking of getting a scan tool and you feel that it has to have topology, rethink that. Topology is nice if it can be trusted and relied on. But when it's inaccurate, you may as well just have a list. It's going to give you the same thing. Okay, and we're just going to start at the top. Now, most of these scan tools, like this one, list any modules with codes at the top. So I'm just going to click the electronic brake control module. And we're just going to focus on the actuation test and special functions. And I'm just going to scroll through so that you can kind of get an idea of what this scan tool has as far as actuation test, which is the bidirectional test capability that scanners have. So these actuation tests, that's the bidirectional ability that you have on controlling these items. Parking assist control module. Special functions. And now the ECM. This has the M5U transmission. Special functions. Actually, I should have done actuation test first, but it doesn't matter. Reset functions. Now, actuation test. And just to show you that this scan tool is able to control, these components, I'm going to hit the starter relay and the engine should crank. Hopefully you're going to be able to hear that. I'm going to roll the window down a little bit. And I'm going to hit on. Off. Gives you some nice data PIDs there to look at. So it is a very capable scan tool, guys. Like I said, I've been very, very impressed with Thinkcar on this. Okay, the chassis control module. It looks like all we got is actuation test. Transmission control module. Actuation test. Special functions. Go back. Power steering. Actuation. special functions. Power steering wheel angle, or steering wheel angle, special functions. Body control module. This has got the LED lights. We'll do actuation test. Now this one's got quite a few. So if you look, say, under chassis control, there's the actual special function for that, or the actuation. Exterior lighting. You'll have all your different lighting checks that you can do. Interior lighting, similar deal. Power mode. So you've got multiple actuation tests under those items. Here is special functions. We'll go ahead and go with the inflatable restraint. Actuation test. Special functions. Does let you configure a new module. If you're ever in a wreck and your airbag module or your airbag has a deployment, you'll be able to go in and reset that, or configure a new module rather. Power presence. Generally, all that's underneath this one is resetting the pressure sensor for the passenger seat. Instrument cluster. This does have the heads-up display. Actuation. Special functions. Now you got to remember, this tool, not only is it very powerful, as you're seeing here, I mean, so far I think it's got everything that my other scan tools has. The difference between this one is it has lifetime free updates. Radio controls. Normally there's nothing under radio controls. Now, radio module, there is, and we'll get to that. Amplifier, nothing there. Of course, you can read codes and everything on all these modules, but what we're looking at is actuation test and special functions. Telematics, special functions. Almost done, fellas. And this has the auto zone actuation test, special functions. Seat memory, actuation. Did we not do special functions under seat? Okay, there is no special functions. And front camera. Actuation test. And special functions. Front view camera learn. So you can recalibrate your front view camera. All right. That's it. This is the 689BT, and that's the special functions and actuation test on a 2016 GMC Sierra. Just to give you an idea of the modules that it has. I'm sorry, to give you an idea of the special functions that it has. Anyway, that's it. We'll see you in the next one.